Hey guys, welcome to Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve the set number 6 from a session. So the question says a survey was conducted among 300 room conditioner owners. So see here, room conditioner owners, that means 300 room conditioner owners, there are not going to be any person who do not have any of the air conditioner defined in the further in the set. That means none is equal to 0. Okay, this thing is clear. It was found that 125 people had Carrier ACs, 145 have Voltas, and 90 have Lloyd air conditioners with them. 32 of them exactly 2 out of the 3 brands of air conditioners. So first thing we will do is we will make our universal set. So we have Carrier, we have Voltas, and we have Lloyd. So Carrier, Voltas, and Lloyd. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We have n is equal to 0, so we do not need to write it. Then we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's see if we can find any of them. So first thing which we have been given is that D plus E plus F is equal to 32. Then we have been given that the number of people who have Carrier ACs are 125. So that means A plus E plus D plus G is 125. Okay, we have been given number of people with Voltas ACs are 145. So B plus E plus G plus F is going to be 145. Then it has been said that the number of people who have Lloyd AC are 90. So that means C plus D plus G plus F is going to be 90. Okay. Also we have been given that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to, plus G is equal to 300. If we add all these three, what do we get? We get A plus B plus C plus 2 D plus E plus F plus 3G equal to 360. Now if we subtract this one from this, so what happens is that A, B, C gets cancelled. Okay, then D, E, F gets cancelled, and one of there are 2D, 2F, 2E, and 2F. So one of them gets cancelled. We are left with D, E, F here. G is cancelled, and we are left with 2G here. So what we are left with is D plus E plus F plus 2G is equal to 60. D, E, F is equal to 32. So 2G will be equal to 28, and then G will be equal to 14. So we have the value of G to be 14. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Okay, we have the value of G to be 14. Acha, we have value of G to be 14, then we have DEF is equal to 32 and G is equal to 14. That means the total of this is 46. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 300 minus 46. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 254. Okay, so we have the value of exactly 1, we have the value of exactly 2, we have the value of exactly 3. There's nothing else which we can find from here, I guess. We cannot find anything else from here. So let's just move towards the question and let's see what are the questions that have been asked. So the first question is that how many had all 3 brands of air conditioners? That means we have asked the value of G. Value of G we have calculated it to be 14. Okay, so we have calculated value of G to be 14. So correct answer will be option number B, that is 14. Question number 2, if 6 owners had only Voltas and Lloyd. Acha, only Voltas and Lloyd means only Voltas and Lloyd. That means we are talking about Voltas and Lloyd. That means G and F. And from this it has been said only Voltas and Lloyd. That means we will not include G because G also has Carrier. So we have been given the value of F to be 6. So value of F has been given as 6. Then how many have only Carrier with them? Only Carrier when we are going to talk about. See, only Carrier, Carrier is given by A, E, D and G. Okay. Now we know the value of G to be 14. Okay. Now D and E we do not know, but we know F. If we know F to be 6, then we know that D and E will be equal to, from this equation, if F is 6, then D plus E will be 26. So we can put E plus D is equal to 26 here and G is equal to 14. So that means total will be 40 and 40 will be subtracted. We will get the value of A, and value of A represents only Carrier. So we can find out the value of A by doing 125 minus 40. So the correct answer will be 85. That is option number D. Third question, if 110 owners had only Voltas air conditioners. Now we have been given that C is equal to 110. Okay, C has been given as 110. How many have only Carrier and Feder Lloyd with them? Now only Carrier and Lloyd. So Carrier and Lloyd are included in D and G. Carrier and Lloyd in D and G. But we have been said only Carrier and Lloyd. So that means we have to find the value of D. Okay, now if we have to find the value of D, let's see what we can do. So value of D can be calculated by we have been given that C is equal to the value of, sorry, voltage, na voltage, that is B. So value of B has been given as 110. So we have been given that E plus G plus F using this equation, the second equation we are using, this one. We know the value of B is 110. So if 110 is subtracted from 145, we will be left with E plus G plus F. E plus G plus F, sorry, I've written it wrong here. It will be B. B is equal to 110. Huh. So now E plus G plus F will be equal to 35. Out of that, G is 14. So E plus F will be equal to 21. We were to find the value of D. Now in DEF is 32, and in that E and F value is given as to be 21. That means D will come out to be 11. So the correct answer will be option number A, 11. Coming to question number 4. How many of the owners have exactly one brand of air conditioner? That means we have been asked A plus B plus C, which we have already calculated to be 254. That is option number D. So this is a solution for set number 6. I hope you have understood this set well, guys. Thanks you.